Kigima mwanchu murigeria bwegetaseni genso kono gosemerera kwanenga kwabere kugutwara uburigeria burobi kigima na boigo kwego keria emeroberio a imegetaseni kiga nigo charagire chinseso to chabono morgoba sinerobere bwikirano kwaneke bnango koletranda mangana maya na bere kagwatika kura chinsemo a mwanchu murigeria nyora yonsi nabo kwenyara gwetera sensemeri mitandao Facebook na boigo YouTube gwetera Ensoko TV riana kerubo Frida na baltoko bwetera na soko neke bana chibi chanelio gira gukira sole asenchira ya benenera Brian Achaka Felistas Kabendi na boigo Doreen Kemto. Mwancho murigereria yango kwarigani bene irinde to gusanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga ka omwerio kwechaka amaya yebire biga nigo kumenya buna ewodi yekerenyo nigo asinga kintambe yabete etabwati umorai asebunge e county ya Nyamira aya maiga yo kabeire umorai obo mosketa dia Sinyabaro ochorwa nakoba omonogeri asebunge county yo Koroiga no abamenye bekerenyo batigaritine liansa na gochaka kuyarigania asobo choli oboke ononde obwateganga yokurya ikirugo kyobo MCA asewode yo akaba kagweso kyakolinde Mulkito Vincent Monda nabaga kumurikira na kyobo choli bwabete bogokorekana oika omubui konyorekana
abamenye bekerenyo konyora bataragenda obocholi nigo bari gusaba chikura cha Murembe
Maria Tangoro gusara mora nyangwechi endo yaliganiti gwaka chikura chyo bachori obo baketo bwate
esa Maria Tangoro kutadi usinya mera nyakango aba soba chori bogo chigocha ntuye bangete enchere bwenerete ntubwati bura burwende nande tutagete twakira abarayi abarareta amagenderero
abaralia b'Ensoko TV nigo barareta sebito ao ritukolio kiero bochori ritukelio nigo lia chagete buya ase wodi yekerenyo imeyanoti mugirango ebito byonse 29 nigo bya chagete merobere yo waka chikura limambya nabantu goso ase ebito ebyo buya egento kiare kwaro kya sebito byonsi bali emyaka yakongire nigo besogete asobonge korengani woneke goriegeke ekyo kiare gotenera tambe nebito byo bwa kichikura
asa Marieta ankuru kwerimeda ske Yesu tutanganyire twamaye ngachikura to gwaka buyapi nandi chere buyapi abantu motara ikego twagakika twake kura tochoro murai oyo gocha kutugambira ukibosyo boka
nje no pastor Geoffrey Yaunda na kirase ngencho gwaka ekura na akirekura entongo sabange n'abantu baito bonsi bibarenge gocha bakechikurechi kiagarando nyina no Murembe norora se kingakichi Ana batonde gusabira abantu bonsi batwara Murembe
asabarayi bali bakwanete n'Ensoko TV nigo bari korario bochori bwa Murembe
ebinche na Adams Mocheno abantu baminto akachikura aso Murembe asengencho omurembe noro toganetie buna tote neinega igakira omonto gana bwato omonto oyo lakini muri
abanyanyimbo nigo barorekanete koba maiso chinsemo chonsi elio gotanga bikore binde byonsi ebyo biraburuge na goturwa n'emeroberi y'obochori bali bari kororekana na momocho nigo bari gotangwa n'abanyanyimbo na kulingoli bwa bena sichyo bisi cyabo omuroberi y'omugima bw'obochori nigo iranirete emerangwa chinsa 11 cy'amagoroba na gochaka omubaro bw'echikura amachibu ayo nigaretete goike skuru y'abanyaruka ya Ikonge ase hall yokoralia chikura buna amachibu ayo yebito arekoletwa nabo bisabe kembe ky'obochori n'echimbebe IEBC nigare kolingoli bwa gosembu yare nabo igokoralwa nabo bisabwo ekero bamendete chikura chonsi chibito bye wodi yekerenyo nigo batanga sitomo bui chinsa isano nemo nenusu cyo gokera rero
we had a total of 14,273 registered voters. Ongaro, Jeremiah, Jenga, 3,407. The voter turnout was 6,623 voters out of the registered voters of 14,273, translating into a percentage of 46.402%. Based on this tabulation, I now have the pleasure to declare that the validly elected member of God Assembly for Ekerenyo County Assembly Ward in this by-election is Ongaro Jeremiah Njenga.
Bono umwe musiora lituwebuya bwe Ekerenyo Jeremia Ongaro Njenga asenkwana yaye nigayiretia mariga Ekerenyo rite aliabere kagwetera ase campaign cyabo cie Ekerenyo kagoteba nigo cyabo atobwoba no kogosererwo konene korwa sabarwanirigete nigayirete libagali yaye na gwakira abantu bonsi bali bagotinya oborendi abaraibe kanisa na boige kyombe cy'abachori ne chimbebe IEBC na kolira yo gochekokorera abantu be ward ya Ekerenyo egasikurwa igagocha mutwe. Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Oskabosio amate yomugaka mukaya nyanchoka eme yekinyoro kia Kenyambi sublocation ya Bundo ime ya ward ya Wogichora asebunge ya West Mugrango nigo basabira basamaliana baraiko bakonya kumurusia enkendo nyagosira Teresa Mukaya agwetera ogwakana bill y'ekimiliyoni 2.5 maiga yo gosiria obugima bwaye asinyagitari ya Tenwek ekero amane twe engoro mulikito Steven Nyariki Embunde na mange
ekero togoika ase kenyoro gya Kenyambi ime sublocation ya Bundo ward ya Bogichore bunge ya West Mugrango ime ya Nyamira ase family yo mogaka Mukaya Nyanchoka nigo tokomerana neri yandarine lyabamenyi nabo igwe yamate US nyiru nkento kiera kore maega yechibesa gukina hebir ya nyagitari sira Mukaya w'emyaka 59 hase biri wekabono yakire chishiringi chimiliyoni 2.5
amalieta na ngoro kudiuku mosomi iga nigo tole Kenyambi ase enkayo mogaka Peter Mukaya Nyanchoka oyuo sireirwe no muminoye okorokwa Teresa Gesare Mukaya Teresa Gesare Mukaya obeire karwarete ase getambe lakini oborwaire bwaye bwabo bonene buchakira omutienyo gatano omwaka oyo ekere twanyarete kumoira gochiaria Tenweki akaenda kugweni gwaroro elie keragendera tobugweni omutienyo gatano omongina Teresa akagweni gwaso okugweni gwogokorerwa obobali bwenkoro elia akagwena akababuya agachanka ase ekere ekinyasaye natokonyete tukanyora ebitoki tugakana ase ogwakana epiri yarenge enene naende ekere ekio chiarenge emiliyoni eyemo nechimiki anda chilifu
bwenigo lakini nende kanyarekana tabwena ohikira osirire ono munasirete bili ya tire yaigire 2.5 million ona sesa ulikonyana ndi twaligirie chinde chingaki cha magega twa chandikire twonirie bintu ono munasirire chibesa chitakire chiakano mana kwa rusu moja leto malende 2.5 million
ndiyo mono nche marieta nengo kupita Mukaya Nyanchoka no buone oyo sirete no mongino no vera kurwara matuko no yo minta bereza kuruo mwako uligocha gocha orabera kurwara one kurwara kwa egwate ko sakorore kana ujakiro mutinyo gatana twaje kumanya nange nakikurwa kwa ikure igara konye to konye kumugwedi bintu tamanyeti akacha kwenda ko research ko maene na sinyirwe gentongo kora timbo atincherende yonse kibes twabere tukurigia twaonire bintu mu kitwakore bona tutigarite igo gocha kwenye umungino uri onega na jentu arobole muna abana baye batwarobole muna bamu abojire nekere muri mbato koboko nane nankurwasara ekimuranje nkonye
nanja sama ye trampoli nikerbo anonga oyosirete mama kulingana buna mwaigure mama wabeire kago chandeka no borwaire bwenkoro wabeire to komushugulikera twaonirikere gento tobwati mutu tobwati magega ase ngencho twetiganire kori chibesa tomugwenda likorende yaikira bono toikeirwo mweli
Teresa Mukaya hoyo mane twase nkoro nigo konyora family yonirikire gento inse yo mwako yomo ase konyora abatumikire emiliyoni yemo nugutakianda asogwakanera oborwari bwaye ase bone family yatigaire tabwatikende nagotwara maboringa ndireri baramweni omwanchobo
Samarieta ngoro ku Janet Mukaya oyo sirete mamu mto gato sirete gafura atukwa na plan yange kufa egento tware gusaba abantu bamito abarayi abasani abantu ensi yonsi abaina abasani hakito kore na moto toro musigo yo tubwate no morito
nigekerekie family iga yasabire abasamari nabo igo abarayi aho kubakonya irio kumurusia engendu irio gotwara matanga
atomoyo bugwanja na endo okuniru neringa neri nigo twaboriri nga koranje enamba nereye 0711350850 amaliete koreta akoruku Dennis Mukaya
Steven Nyarike Munde Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira.
Omo MCA omochore ase wodi yekerenyo mosike Jeremia Ongaro nigeso kiriri tukolia rero na wakira omwaki chikura mbuye mono ase okomochora au kwana ime county ya Nyamira ni Ongaro ayenikiribuna nache gokorera abamenyi benseme yue egasi nabo igoko babulia bachichamo lyokoyeneke bunango skabale bosyo
anengoro ku Jeremia njengo Ngaro omumenyi naendo iboretwe ase boisanga gesura ekerenyo aiga nona iboretu gosoma jisukuru chage kendo na kea na gekendo aene gachake gasi ya serikali wakorete paka ingaki na deciding atigambe esobo oburai oboiga nyuma yoko baso oburai yebije kanisa ko oburai bwe tea factory no burai bonde tuabeire a bonde bore obwa chiki familia wikastwa ikirega bamitobe Nyasaye ise naende mbiamo no soko ngari baga esego bakorere gasi uno mo MCO ino asenga kieye yogochakira rero itarike mangobere na isato na kogenderera paka 2027 naende kurwabu murarengere ngiyo jikoba lakini bono nyerwe taso kobwatrana ebe nabana baitu be skuru baribe birasi byanse birasi ya primary na second na junior secondary naende tubwatirane asokoreta abangane byasara amo sabantu baitu bono bekerenyo bantu baitu baikonge ebe noboremi asokubwatirana nsemo yoboremi ende nyako tugukwana ase kaagwa buna yachakire ko bengia na gukokora obo chorori naende ase yechai ase bintu na pia ntubwate nsemo ya mabere tunyako batuko ya include asogo ase koreta abantu baitu ase kobeka besa so mofuko tarigo ryoka buna na ase kemerikia kia matoke ekemerikia mananasi ekemeri oro in cruise fase binte beyond brother esege yarengenga by parameters the highest tag was there by parameters of all standards lakini omuikonya sai gore ndita abantu paka nyorembo no iga abantu mbare chiseri aiga kwende kerenyo abantu mbare chiseri abantu basumbogiteze asengencho abantu kanya bagurire bigogwa bakonyako bakurwania abantu lakini ekyo tona airire Jeremia na yuta kwa morembe and when you are aggravated in whichever way please come and
Omwajento manene ase United Opposition ase wodi yekerenyo muske Isaac Atebe nigeso kire nakoraga bokongo chibura buru echichene getugwe aboli tkoligoro nabayigo gusaba omorembe obaroro nabamenye bachichamo na gutiga obobisa nigabairaneria bakichikurambye mono aso gochora aba MCA abalinge inse ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i nakoyeneke buna eye nenkwana batumire gocha omugusinga nigo bale inse yobomo bumugusi
bumugusi bulikonye tugukwanira bwachakire kororekana abantu baiminto igo mwasogete isuku mugatiga chibesa cyari gutara chipara mugatiga ebinte bingi mwari gotebu mwari go ngainwa mugachamo muka chikura abantu bali ensemo ya United Opposition lakini mono ucyose byama biria birenge to mugusi kama kiabo upa ase Ekerenyo na Nyamaya ya Irete na PDP ase Nyansiongo ya Irete. Oyo nomo choko omuyatu ajakire uchose chikura checho cha 2027 ekiagarantu atebanga tutagete kobekera matiangi ebikoroto agende isuko achikwegulira chisuti twensi pintu atebanga echama tutagetiga usi ne chama ya UDA ose Yellow Movement na inde tuachakira kobaro kinga ntoligo chukwancha echame iyo etwali chinguruga gusi tigegenda uchose kuchikonyora chikura kurwa ikiagra twensi pi tuana chirikinanga Ruto one term chikure chiabete igoro nchiatwalite chisegi chinene abantu bakurwania abandi paka abandi bakanyora amajera awo abandi bali chigetari igo nare kwirali bagiri tangani kote bali banyora tamajera pole na indi mbasabiri okugwena kuri bwangu ingende bwangu gotebanga ayantwanya kojarora asinyamira na chisegi chikolentwa abantu bakurwania abandi asange jichikura yutwata kokikiria manganaya na gotei bali barente chisegi icho bakome mara moja to baza korana ndi mangana bunalia abete ikiagera unabono notumugirango chisegi nchiabete asakurukunga magunga nchiabete asakurukunga ikonge nchiabete asakurukunga ubwali abuase abantu baumiete na chigali chigasalibwa.
Omuraibense Dr. William Ruto nigo agendereire kwegerera omurobiri oye bwobochenu chingaki arokana wiyaki kuba maiga yekiama kiaye kogesa ebirogo abya gesiasa abori tukole igoro asobochori oboke bwakorekanete okwana chingaki achakia obwaga chibwe bara ya Rironi Mau Summit niga mochia abamirire bae asogotatwara emerobiri omurikeito Deborah Kerubo na roboti oru.
Harambe! Harambe!
Muraibense William Ruto niga agendereire kwegerera omurobiri oye bwobochenu imeyense ya Kenya oyumanyekaine buna sha oyenekire buna nigo gochia kubakonya abantu bebirengo byonsi gochora gutaiyo ukwana nerombe yaba Kenya Ruto niga yenekire buna witani aba Kenya 52,52 nigo berikiria somurobiri yosha.
Tumeweka mpango mkubwa, niliwaeleza ya kwamba tutakuwa na mpango ya afya. Wakati nilienda kwa uchaguzi, nyinyi muliniambia nibadilishe mambo ya afya. Afya isiwe haki ya matajiri, watu wako na kazi na watu wako na uwezo. Mulisema mnataka afya iwe haki ya kila Mkenya. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na mimi nawashukuru ya kwamba leo katika taifa letu la Kenya, Wakenya milioni 27.7 tayari wamejisajili kwa SHA, na tunasonga mbele kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna Mkenya atauza mali yake, auze ng'ombe yake, auze shamba yake ati kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Sasa mambo ya gharama ya hospitali tutasimamia kama serikali, tutalipa kupitia kwa SHA na tutakuwa na bima ya kila Mkenya kuhakikisha kwamba tunawashughulikia Wakenya wote.
Ukwana kurwa chinsemo chia Kiambu asacha kebene obwaga chibwe bara ya Rironi wika Mau Summit Ruto nigarolekana ko yake gekuba magega yekiama kiaye kogese birogo ao biege siasa aboli tukurigoro asobochori oboke bwakorekanete imeyense igati yabo ekerogo kyobo seneta county ya Baringo ebirogo byo bunge asense moya Mbeere North Banisa amonense moye bunge ya Malava.
Jana tulikuwa na uchaguzi katika taifa letu la Kenya mdogo, si ndio? Kutoka Mbeere mpaka kule Kasipul, kutoka kule Banisa kupitia Baringo mpaka kufika huko Malava. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Kati ya viti 7, si ndio, ya ubunge na senate, yote 7 ilishindwa na broad based government.
Chingaki echo Ruto nigabarage byara byoko bagosereria bamereria baye asate birebuna nigo bare abantu batabwati 90 yonsi kolende gasi yabo no konyagotera marieta yoko mogikeria umuwekano one time na Kasongo.
Tell us what your agenda is. Tell us your plan. Tell us your agenda. One time Kasongo must go is not a plan. It's not an agenda. It is about a person. It is about hate. It is about the next election. We are discussing about the next generation.
Omurai wense nonye nabo nigaira chingaki chia bene kubakera mbuya mono abakichikura bonsi bali abesogetie na gwake kura asobo cholio bwake obubwa kolekanese litukolie igoro.
Nataka niwashukuru Wakenya wote, wapigaji kura wa kutoka kule Mbere, wapigaji kura wa kutoka Kasipul, wapigaji kura kutoka Unguja, wapigaji kura wa kutoka Baringo, wale wapigaji kura wa Banisa, wale wapigaji kura wa kule Malava. Mimi nawaambia asante sana. Mimi nasema ongera, mumetuhakikishia ya kwamba hamutaki ukabila. Wakenya wametuambia hawana biashara na ukabila, hawana biashara na chuki, hawana biashara na migawanyiko. We want a united nation, a nation that stands together and focuses on the good and the prosperity of every citizen without the limitations of where they come from, their religion or their ethnicity.
Ayani gagocha ekero chikura cho mwaka bwechiri bwibere meronge bere netano nebere chiarolekanirie kogenderera kubwatanse kubwatakana no bacholio bakegwe korekaneteri tukolie igoro asebona maisonsi amolekerete kambiria yoko yamereria serikali ya United Opposition guseni ngobaratie koberekie gurube yokolige kerogo kyoborai bwense elio komwamereria omorai bwense William Samoei Ruto. Deborah Kirubo.
Sasa nishawaambia hawa jamaa wakiendelea na hii tutawazamisha asubuhi na mapema. Hao watu watatembea wakitembea.
Ensoko TV.
Homa seneta wa kaunti ya Nandi Samson Cherargei ni gago keire obubui asobo cholio bokebwerete chingaki anekia obubui nigo bwengerete serikali ya broad based okwana nigo anekia banani ya serikali eroberete wikira nobosibo bocholio bonene asinonya nabo agikeria bali batemete guturubania obocholio bwe.
Thank you. From the onset, I want to congratulate all the winners of yesterday's by-elections across the country, from parliamentary to wards by-election across the country. One thing is I am happy that majority of the seats or all of the seats were won by broad-based government. That is what is important. Of all the 7 parliamentary seats, United Democratic Alliance, UDA, and ODM won all the seats across the country. This is a clear testament that Kenyans have belief and faith in the broad-based government that is led by His Excellency President Dr. William Ruto. As a member of United Democratic Alliance, this is the party to be, and this is a clear testament that in 2027 nothing will change. The president will be re-elected overwhelmingly because our opponents, who are majorly disunited opposition, have never succeeded to sell any serious agenda. The agenda they have been selling is hate, ethnicity, tribal animosity, division across the country. And therefore we are excited as a broad-based government, and it has proved many critics of broad-based and the President William Ruto's government wrong. And I'm surprised that a number of colleagues are saying there is a narrow win. A win is a win in politics. Even if you lose, in politics there is no number 1 or 2 or number 3. Politics, the only winner will be declared. So number 2 is fact I want to appeal to IEBC. I know this is their time, their first time to be in office. This is the first major election they have done across the country. I think the lessons, they should pick those lessons from what transpired yesterday. I hope in future, and I want to encourage Kenyans that our future elections should be devoid of any electoral malpractices, issues of intimidation, blackmail, bribery of voters. I hope the lessons the IEBC, led by the chairman of the commission, Mr. Ekudon, that all these issues that we saw yesterday, the issue of efficiency, we should make it be sure. Another factor, I think our election is still expensive. We must sit as a country and see how we can make our elections less expensive. Anybody, and I want to appeal to IEBC, DPP, and DCI to move with speed and arrest anybody who participated in electoral malpractice. One of the cases is that we saw the former Attorney General, J.B. Muturi, yesterday attacking a voter, and I'm happy media captured the moment. I am surprised and baffled that the police are yet to arrest him. Yet that one was a clear aggravated assault and election malpractices. What we saw in anywhere across the country, be Malava, be Kaspool, be across anywhere, even in awards, the IEBC, the DPP, and DCI must move with speed and ensure anybody who participated in electoral malpractices are brought before the law and they are charged, so that we make our elections as free, fair, and transparent and peaceful. And that is the Gralian call as we prepare for 2027.
Chingaki ekyo boigo niga babwatani bekiama gya UDA bagokera obubuya sobochoria boke gukwana Hassan Omar nigo aireneria biamono aba kichikura sanekia okonyoro obubuibwe birogo 12 ase biria emrongebere nekemo.
Convey our gratitude to all those who participated in these elections. We also want to congratulate all those who participated in these elections, the winners from the UDA, the winners from outside the UDA, and those who competed in these various elections for the spirit they all exhibited during the elections. There were 24 contests. UDA participated in 21 across the country. We won 12 of the 21.
Ekiombe kia ilog nigo kia bwatukire oroboti na kwenike buna ekiombe gia IBC nigo gia kolewia asobo cholyoboke nonyamaga ye chiburaburu kwenike gwa ase chinsemo na baigo gutwara omochanda obwechi masini okwana nigo babolire abanyanyimbo na baigo abo bisaba IEBC koimukia egetambukero kilichiko ase bali babunete lichiko baigo nigo babolia abantu gosemigwa bosibwo bocholi asaba na siasa na baigo barwanire bebirogo baboligwa gwetanga korwase ogoturubania obocholi.
Ballot box seals were publicly verified and ballots were audibly called out. Disputes were recorded in 10% of polling stations observed, but most were resolved at the station level. Police officers were present in all polling stations when counting commenced.
IEBC must enforce strict compliance with assisted voting procedures, including the mandatory administration and documentation of the oath of secrecy in all applicable cases, and must take decisive corrective action against any official found to have facilitated breaches of.
Omugabana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigaikira nabusi we committee ya Senate ya Public Accounts igoro yo gutumiki obobe bwechibesa chingaki cyo gusangireria ebango ime county yo okwana Sakaja nigaigerera na kwenike bunambarute a license ase kampuni iyo ire obokoreri bugusangireria ebange yo.
Governor, who owns Nairobi Pay? This is software as a service. Now we've contracted. This was a technical support framework. It's a government system. That time it was ICTA. We have now further done our full contract beyond a technical support framework through the national government, through the ministry.
So how much do we pay as Nairobians for this system? Because here it doesn't even say. It says a revenue share model.
No, we pay for 4.5%. That is what we pay. For administration, for running the software, for updating it, for that as a system.
We pay to who?
Now we've contracted Konza. How much are they? Who? Konza Technopolis. So ICT authority, the Ministry of ICT said they are better to domicile it at Konza. The contract we have now is with Konza Technopolis, and that contract we can avail. So it's still an entity under the national government, but the 4.5% is what is paid to them to run the software as a service. Auditor, we know now who owns Nairobi Pay. Okay. So even the intellectual property rights, we know who owns the Nairobi Pay. That wealth has never been collected in the history of devolution by Nairobi or by any county. Chair, in the year under review, we created what we call a unified business permit. Previously, you would go get fire on its own. You go to Tomboya, you come to City Hall, you get advertising, you get food handlers, you get 6 different licenses. And a business would have 6 licenses on the wall. They have all been consolidated into one license called the Unified Business Permit. The Unified Business Permit has fire, has food handlers, has advertising, has pest control, all in one.
The revenue potential is 63 billion for Nairobi City County under CRA, and you were sharp enough to develop simulations, especially during the formula, the 3rd generation formula.
Yes.
But I can see you are doing badly. You are collecting 12 billion only.
Mwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Ogamba nigesokire bene nabayo gukwanira emirobere ye serikali ase ogokinia ebirengo by'ekisemi okwana chingaki ale kobekere gosichingaki aborokirwa bali kobekerwa egutwa ase university yemo nigo nikiribuna serikali neroberite oboikirano ase okoene kyabuna ngotumekere chinjira chekerero ase okwegendereria.
Digital transformation is not a luxury for Kenya. It is an essential driver of inclusive development, global competitiveness, and sustainable progress. As the Ministry of Education, we affirm our commitment to supporting initiatives that position Kenya as a leader in digital innovation. As I conclude, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I want to commend our graduates of this institution for making it this far, and congratulations once again. Today is not just an achievement for the graduates, it also signifies progress for our premier open learning university as more students graduate. I'm especially pleased that alongside today's graduation, the university has also launched its 2024-2028 strategic plan. This plan presents the opportunity to consolidate the lessons learned over the past 2 years and to define a forward-looking roadmap that will guide the university's growth, innovation, and national impact. Ladies and gentlemen, the government remains fully committed to transforming the education sector by harnessing the digital revolution, adopting creative pedagogies, and strengthening the competency-based education at all levels. Upholding high-quality standards is essential to Kenya's pursuit of Vision 2030 by ensuring that every citizen is equipped to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to national development. Expanding access to higher education is central to this agenda as it creates opportunities for Kenyans to gain relevant skills and improve their socio-economic prospects. Accordingly, the government will continue to invest in staffing, infrastructure, and research to ensure that enrollment growth is supported without compromising quality.
Mwancho muligeria kurwa soroboti oroni otoikira omwelio bokumurikira amangana maya kurinde ngo kwiraniria ngambie mono sana kwa bere koko gotobwatia kutwaga chagete goikabona iga omwelio litariane Kerubo Frida kuganiria obutuko borobia.